What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for PayPal holdings with the ticker symbol PYPL. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So if you have not done already, make sure you use my affiliate link in the description below, where you can get $15 off on your TradingView membership. And I also get $15 too. So you help yourself, you help the channel out without any extra cost to you. So check out my affiliate link for TradingView. I use TradingView on all my YouTube videos. I think it's a great software, very professional, never crashed on me or anything. So it's a great thing to invest in and use for your stock analysis. So let's take a look at the daily chart for PayPal. Last time I looked at PayPal was last week, Saturday. And you can see that I was analyzing the chart when this green bar was on the chart, the big one. And you can see that Monday and Tuesday was nice follow through. So the day isn't even over yet. We still have about half an hour left. But I don't think much is going to change. You can see that PayPal has continued higher towards this circle that I had on the chart, this small one right over here, because price was extremely overextended for the EMA, and we were very close to this support level right here at the $59 level. So we did see a little break through it, but you see that price immediately reversed back up. So there was a good chance that price would continue higher towards this EMA target. So I'm looking for the little bit more continuation. It's not guaranteed, but it looks like, PayPal wants to continue higher, especially after the SPY had a red day today. It probably is going to be finishing red or close to a neutral day. So this had a pretty nice rally for a bunch of other stocks not doing so well. So there's a good chance that this continues to pull up higher, maybe to the $62, $63 level. And then from there, we have to analyze what PayPal wants to do. So not really a big update. We did see continuation towards the upside. I wouldn't say this is a start of an uptrend just yet. It's way too early to call. I mean, it is promising, but we need to see a lot more from this stock if you want to be bullish in the long term, because obviously every price bar you see on this chart tells me that this is a bearish structure in play. So you see that every data on this chart, this is a bearish structure. Why? Because every high is lower than the previous one, every major high. So that's why this trend line can be drawn off the swings. You can see that we have this downward trend line in play, and the measure move targets have not been reached. So we had one strong leg down, price pull back, and now the bears are attempting to reach the $52 level because that is the target that they are trying to reach. So not all measure moves are reached, so it could fail right over here at the high 50s, and we could see a massive rally up. But then I want to see price get back above the $67, $68 level, break through this trend line, and then, set up something like this would be really nice. Boom. So something like that would be a reversal picture, a reversal structure for much more higher price targets. So this is still a long way to go for PayPal. We can always still go back up to this level right here and get rejected and, still go lower towards the measure move target. Or we could, come back halfway, retrace halfway of this huge drop down, and then still go lower. So the market overall is still bearish, even though we are seeing some micro uptrend bullishness, but that's not gonna be that's not strong enough to influence the bigger picture as of right now. Like I said before, if we see a large break, like something like that, that might be large enough to influence this structure right over here, and then we can see higher price targets. But as right now, it's just too early to call. But at least right now, it looks like, there's still more upside potential left, just a little bit more. And then maybe we go up a little bit higher or we sell off. I'm not sure what happens once we get to the low 60s, like the $62, $63 level. It's really hard to say. That's when the EMA will catch up too, so we could see more downside. But the market overall is still bearish. In the micro scale, it's bullish. I'm expecting higher price targets, not guaranteed. But it looks like that's what PayPal wants to do. And that's all I have on the daily chart. Just not that much has changed since last week, Saturday. So here's the weekly chart. You see that this is easier to see that it's much more bearish than bullish, because we have the downward EMA in play, the trend line, and obviously we're just right near the all-time lows of this entire downtrend. So this downtrend is probably coming to an end more than any other time in the past. So maybe we start seeing the price action flatten out, something like this, and then maybe curl over to the upside. So this is probably near the lows. I can't guarantee it, but it looks like it would be, because after a downtrend gets a break, you expect two large attempts in that direction, especially how large this downtrend was. And those two large attempts are terminating near the $52 level. So either we get there or we stop right now in reverse. So somewhere right over here could be a bottom. I mean, that's just guessing, obviously, until we see confirmation of an uptrend. Something like that would be confirming we have bottom. But right now, this is probably an area to be a potential bottom. That's what I'm saying. I'm not saying it's a bottom. I'm saying it's a potential area to be a bottom, but we won't know until we see confirmation. So that's how I'm looking at PayPal. Overall, still a macro bearish imbalance. This looks like there's still a more aggressive sellers overall than buyers who want to bid down the price. But in the micro scale, it looks like there's aggressive buyers who want to bid up the price or at least pull back just shortly. And then we'll have to analyze what PayPal wants to do. So I'll give you guys an update on this week Saturday. That will give us more data to see what PayPal is trying to do. But that's all I have for PayPal this week Tuesday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.